Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you all my recipe for banana bread. It's going to be soft, moist and delicious. So if you'd like to see how to make this, keep watching. We're going to start off this recipe by mixing our dry ingredients into one bowl. So to my flour I'm adding in salt, cake spice. You can use cinnamon and nutmeg if you want. In goes baking powder and baking soda, and give that a mix and set it aside. In another bowl I have my soft butter and I'm adding in brown sugar. You can use half brown, half white, it depends on your personal preference. Mix to start creaming and continue mixing. Once it starts to become a little light, we're going to add in our eggs one at a time, mixing well after each addition. Once the eggs are thoroughly mixed in, this is what it should look like. We're going to go ahead and add the rest of ingredients. So I'm going in with mixed essence. You can use a vanilla or almond. And I'm also adding in some banana essence. In goes some whole milk and my ripe mashed bananas. Overripe bananas make the best banana bread. So if you have overripe bananas, save them for this recipe. Go ahead and mix that to bring it together. And once it comes together, we'll go in with our dry ingredients. So empty your dry ingredients into the wet ingredients, and then you want to gently mix both to bring it together. Be very gentle. You don't want to overmix for gluten to form in your flour. So once it starts to come together like this, you're going to go ahead and stop. Add in walnuts or pecans, and I'm also going to add in some golden raisins. If you want to put cranberries or any type of other dried fruit, you can. Now just fold that in. Again, remember, we don't want to overmix. Now once it's folded in properly, this is the consistency you're looking for. We're going to empty it into a greased and floured loaf pan. Now this is going to bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 40 to 50 minutes until when you put a skewer in it, it comes out clean. And when it's finished, you want to make sure and cool it down completely before you unmold it and before you cut into it. So one tip I'll give you guys is if you make this the night before you're ready to serve it, the next day it's going to be absolutely soft and moist. When it now comes out of the oven, it has a slight crust to it. Just look how perfect this banana bread is. And if you guys take my tip and store this overnight and serve it the next day, it's going to be absolute perfection. So try it. Let me know down below what you think. Thank you all so much for joining me today. Do remember to stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.